Yeah. Okay.
So what are you working on down there?
Battery box, taking the bolts out of the bottom of the battery box.
Okay.
And then we'll remove the battery at the side.
Move stuff off this table, I got one 2600 amp battery. I've never done this side before, so it's going to be kind of got it? Yep. Ease it back, Aaron. Keep going. Man, a good idea.
And we put the
So the bolts that y'all were loosening from the bottom earlier, is that the black
Correct.
plate
The
at the bottom of the battery?
The studs that are in that battery box go down through the floor of this nose compartment. They're in the same area that the original battery was in there that they designed, but instead of here you go. Well,
Maybe not.
I can film it here. Instead of this, a small battery, now the battery's big enough that the aircraft can self-start, which means we can make fuel stops at smaller airports. We don't need as much ground support at an air show to perform. Just pilot can jump in the jet, hit the start button and go without any external power. The battery's made by Marathon in Waco, Texas. It is a monster. It's about 2,600 amp battery, 28.5 volt, I think. At any rate, it's a monster.
7/16.
It'll start the airplane repeatedly without charging. We'll take these stainless steel bolts off. There's 3 on each end, or 6, to remove the battery, which is about 90 pounds, from this box, which is about 20. So the whole thing, I think, or maybe it's 95 pounds. I think this whole thing weighs a little over 120 pounds, heavy. So it'll all come apart. You can see on this end, it goes to the factory every year for overhaul, and it's due 1 of 22, so it's due this coming January, and it's assigned to this aircraft 1611. It'll go back and they'll take it apart and overhaul whatever ails it. I'll show you inside real quick. This case is made out of titanium. And that's what the inside of a NICAD battery that's set up for aerobatics looks like. So if one of these cells is bad, instead of replacing the entire battery, they can literally pull one cell out and replace it with a new cell.